If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair, nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They aren't engineers or technicians, and despite their friendly on-camera personas, their goal isn't to educate or protect you. They're salespeople, paid to promote products and willing to say almost anything necessary to drive clicks through their discount links. We're offgridsolar.com. For the past 27 years, we've provided heavy-duty, iron-core, transformer-based solar inverter systems with massive surge capacity, long life, and real-world industrial engineering, designed to weather the fiercest storms. Raw power, proven durability, overbuilt by design, underpriced by intent. We added music to this video to keep it engaging, unlike a high-frequency inverter struggling and failing to start an air conditioner.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, racking, and batteries in our DIY solar systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, high-frequency transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our much safer, low-frequency transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances, as our competitors' transformerless, high-frequency inverters can.